Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to ignore calls without blocking. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. If you want to silence calls or mute calls or ignore calls, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on phone. You'll probably need to scroll down the menu a bit, and then tap silence, and then tap unknown callers, and then tap silence unknown callers on and off switch. The switch turns green when the function is activated. So I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to my settings, and I'm gonna just go ahead into my phone, and I'm gonna need to scroll down a little bit right here and silence unknown colors, and I'm gonna just click on it, and I'm gonna just turn on or make the color green to actually activate that step. All right, so you can do that, or you can just go ahead if you want to receive unknown callers but you don't want to hear the basically you don't want to hear the sound, or you don't want to hear the ringtone. Just go ahead and use the left button right here to actually mute right here the caller. All right, so you won't receive in general any calls, or you will receive but you will not hear it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.